Hey everyone, hope you're doing well today. Today I have an important and special video for you guys. Today we are actually going to be learning about hash tables, or also known as hash maps. Sorry that I haven't been able to code for you guys lately and show you guys different types of code. I'll get into that soon enough. I just really want to have you guys go over some basics and have you understand some new concepts and just continue going along with that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. So basically, what is a hash table? A hash table is a data structure that uses maps and it keys to values. It is one part of a technique that is used is called hashing, and the hashing takes the other part and is used from the hash function, and a hash function is an algorithm that produces an index of basically where the value can be found or stored. So yeah, we pass the hash function and it sends it to an index. So we take the key, send it into the hash function, and then it produces onto a bucket, which is a memory address basically. So the hash function basically decides where to put the information. A definition for that would be indefinite. So it's a function always outputs the same function. And that is a little background into what hashing is. I tried to explain that into a little more detail for you guys. But yeah, so hash tables, they do not have order like arrays do, unless collisions occur and we use a linked list. So yeah, when we use map, it's basically, it can save any data type as a key. It maintains insertion for that, and the orders too. And sets are kind of the same thing as the map. But yeah, in a hash table, if you use a for loop, it is also still considered O of 1, which equals to fast, as we talked about in our big O notation. So yeah, let's actually talk about why you would want to use a hash table. So basically, using a hash table is when you would want quick access to certain values. And hash tables are also used in data tables, which is really nice. Hash tables are basically like a hack of an array. So you're able to use more flexibility in a key. So it's able to pinpoint exactly where you want instead of going over each function. So there's a couple problems with the hash tables, and one of them is it doesn't have a concept of order. So it's going to spit them out at random places. As an array, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's like arrays are placed next to each other while hash tables are scattered. So that's one of the reasons we might not want to use a hash table. But we do like to use hash tables to optimize to get that ON, so linear time, and that's part of the good. So let's go over what the good is. We have fast lookup, we have flexible key, which we've been looking for, and we also have fast inserts. And of course we have some of the bads, which would be it's unordered, unlike the arrays, and it is as the slow key insertion. So that's one of the problems. But yeah, that is pretty much a good breakdown on what a hash table or hash map is, and why you would want to use these in your code over an array, and why you would want to use an array over a hash table. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely tune in for the next one, and I'll see you guys next time.